welcome back to my channel. आज के वीडियो में I'll be talking about my monsoon hair care routine. So the products that I'm using are nothing fancy, just regular shampoos and hair oils and serums and some teeny mini DIYs to make my hair look proper. Also, this is my post shower look. I haven't even tamed them. This is how they look after I wash my hair. I'm kind of satisfied with how they are behaving in this season. There is a minimal amount of hair fall and the quality is also super smooth. So these products that I'll be telling you about suits me the best. They may or may not suit you. Without further blabbering, let's move into the video. So the first things first, starting with the hair oils, I use this. This has to be the holy grail product. This is the very basic hair oil which I think everyone is using. Also, I switched on to this, which I think you can see I have almost finished. I honestly am not the fan of the smell of this hair oil, but yeah, it worked really well for my hair and made my hair smooth and shiny. Another hair oil which I use it in my DIYs is this. This is the Blossom Culture olive oil. I use it for my skin, for my hair. I make some DIY packs. I usually use it in that. Now this is the hair mask I apply once in every week. I take some curd, which is an alternate of an egg, some honey for the shine and olive oil. Mix it really well and apply on the lengths and roots of your hair. This mask gives the results which a market hair mask would otherwise give. And for those who don't want to or cannot or won't apply hair oil, this is for you. This is again by Parachute and it comes with a pump. The texture is like so creamy and smells amazing. This will give all the nourishment and hair oil would otherwise give to your hair. The application is super easy. You just have to take 4 to 5 pumps and apply it like a hair oil and wash it off after 30 minutes and you're sorted. Also, it's not necessary that you have to wash it off after 30 minutes. You can leave it on as long as you want to, even overnight. Now for this hair mask, take one banana and mash it. You can even blend it in a mixer. Honestly, I hate the smell of banana, so I personally don't use it. I am making it for my mom. Now this hair mask is known to strengthen your hair. This mask is known to add shine and gloss to your hair and also prevent split ends. Now I'm taking some honey to it and leave the mask for 30 minutes. Now starting with the shampoos. Currently the shampoo I'm using is this because of some dandruff issues. This is Head & Shoulders Cool Menthol Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This 650 ml bottle comes with a pump which I think is very convenient to use. This is 100% effective and gives such a cooling effect to your scalp because of the cool menthol thing in it. The other shampoo that I use is Biolage Matrix. This reduces the hair fall and is 100% effective. This is 400 ml bottle for 615 and the smell is amazing. The other shampoos that I use are these by L'Oreal. I use these when I have to go out somewhere. I want my hair to smell good is when I use them. This shampoo I particularly use for the smell, and this shampoo has 6 flower oils and it literally controls my dullness, dryness, frizziness and everything. After I use the shampoo, I really feel my hair so smooth. To pair the shampoo, I use this. This is of the same range, and whenever I'm shampooing my hair with these, tab to keh dhaungi. I use these whenever I have to go out somewhere on some special days, and the smell is amazing. And then this conditioner is I use with every other shampoo. The smell of this is freaking good. I really want to bathe in this. Now talking about the post shampoo routine, I use this hair serum. This is Biolage Matrix serum. This is my second purchase and I've almost emptied this. Basically all these serums I think work similarly well. This serum I use only when I have to move out somewhere. Just wanted to know if you all also categorize things accordingly or is it just me? Then another serum that I use is this. This is Livon Moroccan. This is not the regular Livon, and I use it only for the smell. This is my second purchase. I was not able to find this serum because every retailer was like, ये आना ही बंद हो गया है. But I somehow got this. Just the only glitch I found in this is the packaging. This is very loose. This doesn't even lock properly. This can leak if you keep it in your towel rack, so be careful. So another serum that I use is this from Streets, which is just a regular serum like others. Nothing new in this. So I use it anytime I want to. The last product of this hair care routine is this serum from Brulaire. I am using it religiously. This is my current favorite serum.
Now to apply serum, you just have to take a coin size amount, rub it on your hands and only apply it on the lens and not on the roots. Also, this serum is very affordable. And yes, I'll link down all these products in the description box below. And that's about it. That's all for this video.
Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hit on the bell icon so you don't miss any update. Until next time, stay home and stay negative.